Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to use the Signal app. If you don't know about this app, I have a short answer for you. It is a private messenger app and it has end-to-end encryption. And it also an open source app. You can see the actual code if you want. And you can use this app on your iPhone, Android devices, iPad and Mac as well. But it is not supported in Chromebook. So let me show you exactly how to use it and why you have to use it. First, install this app from the Play Store. So let me start with the sign up process first. Here I am going to press continue. Let's go and enable some permissions here. Without SIM card, you can also run this app, but it does have to a valid phone number.
Nice.
And this is the verification process, so type out your phone number based on your country. It will automatically do it for you. Your first name, and you don't have to type your last name, and you can create a 4-digit PIN, it's up to you. Finally, this is the home page of the Signal app. To send your messages, all you have to do is press the pencil icon right here, and then you need to go ahead and give access to your contacts. Now you can send messages to your friends who are using this app. If you press this plus sign, you can able to send photos here. So you have to give access to your camera and you can send GIFs and many other options are available here. This chat feature is same as WhatsApp. As you know, WhatsApp changed their privacy policy. Because of it, most of them are using Signal app. That's the introduction to the Signal application. If you found this one useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.